Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Nextdoor automation built in public. Today I'm going to review a testimonial, not of my client, but small business owner working on Nextdoor. So you are probably hearing a lot of bad things about Nextdoor. It's quite seldom that people show the good things, the good side of Nextdoor, the Nextdoor app. And of course, when something is negative, it always gets more broadcasted on the social media, and we hear always more, and people who are complaining, and the negative sides always get more echoes. And I have a channel on Reddit where I post regularly also to relay my videos. And there is a Nextdoor channel on Reddit, a subreddit, where basically people go to just vent their not anger, if not anger, annoyment, and when they're unhappy, they just go there. So if you want to hear bad things about Nextdoor, you just join this subreddit and you can participate in the Nextdoor bashing. Nevertheless, once in a while, and this post I'm referring to was not posted on this subreddit because somehow I don't know if he did not dare doing that and get more bashing from the rest of the people. But Nextdoor is definitely a good source for leads, and that's what my company is doing, is assisting small business owners to automate their publications in order to have a process set up in place, a proper virtual funnel conversion also installed on Nextdoor, so that when you get visibility, you should post 5 to 7 times a week, being a friendly neighbor, and make only one post per week as a commercial post to advertise your activities. The rest of the time, if people see you as a friendly neighbor, they will get more interest in your profile and get to see your activity. Of course, part of your daily post, you have to be a good neighbor and submit positive comments, helping comments, bring value, and they will get to know your activity. So let's say you are and I made a post in the past with regard to Montessori schools. If you are in education and looking for customer to join your Montessori school, that was the example I gave for Montessori preschool in the area of Vancouver, Canada. That was a very good example. And now let's go back to the subreddit. So you can on Nextdoor as well on many other platforms complain that there are people who are not positive and always complaining, the Karens, and I don't know what's the equivalent name for males, or you think they are stupid, they are not posting interesting things. But it's up to us, the rest of the, in brackets, good people or intelligent ones, to bring value and to make this place a better place, as you would do in your area. Just forget about, or you can mute and block people you don't like to see, comments that might offend you or find irrelevant, and it's up to you to bring value to the neighborhood. So let's come now to this profile on Nextdoor, and his post state is Nextdoor does 42% of my revenue. Of course, I have no way to check if that is accurate or true, but it's actually quite believable, as some of my customers do exactly the same. Having a proper strategy, publication strategy. So this is how it goes. I use Nextdoor a lot with paid ad through my biz profile, but also use my personal page to post. And that's always what I recommend my customer post, mainly on from your personal profile. That's how you should be doing. Create a group in a group that is in line with your business niche. Let's say you are Montessori school in Vancouver. You create a group, Montessori group in Vancouver, and you post only there. And people who will have interest in your profile and in your activity will join this group. And as soon as they join the group, then you can, that's part of your conversion funnel. DM them for sending them a welcome, and then sending them commercial offers. Yeah, any marketing material that you would deem suitable for your activity. And by posting only in this group, that's how you create your funnel. So he says, my personal page gets me one job every 3 to 4 posts or so, depending on the week. So that's a proof that it's a regular posting strategy is always a success. I stirred up a fake controversy that got a lot of engagement, which led to 7 leads and 4 jobs. So controversy, always be careful. That might fire back to your business. You always have to be careful. If that was done unintentionally, that's okay. But if you do it intentionally, always be careful. Who would have thought I never even had the app downloaded until 3 months ago? So my company is assisting you. If you don't have that much time to spend on Nextdoor to post, we can automate this posting, and you'll just have to do let's say manually answer the comments and bring value. The rest of the time we can have a programmatic posting, so that you are there on a daily basis. And as you know, on the natural feed, news feed of Nextdoor, post gets updated as they get published. And once your post has some hours delay, then it gets buried under new postings. So if you post daily, that's a good way to be seen by a maximum of people. Remember, even if you post in a group, your publication will be seen the same way as you would do it in your natural feed line. So if you are interested in these strategies, you are more than welcome. The paid ads, I cannot comment on that because I have not done it for my customers, as I preach a different approach. But generally speaking, the feedback I heard were not that great compared to other social media like Facebook and Instagram. But you got to be, your publication will be shown to all your neighbors without any restriction, as long as you post from your personal profile and within your group as I suggested it. So you are most welcome to do it by hand if you don't have a budget to automate this and see by yourself the result. Don't forget to have a proper profile filled in with a nice banner picture, a nice picture of yourself to show your face. It always has a better result. Put your bio details, add your telephone number so people can message you whenever you make a post, a commercial post. I suggest you add shortcuts from WhatsApp, for example, to ease the contacting process for people to send you a message, and there you go. You will be all set to have on a regular basis incoming prospects and leads to generate more revenues for your business. If you like this video, give it a like. If you did not like it, leave a dislike. Remember to subscribe for more content like this, and don't listen too much about people complaining. There has always been people complaining, there will always be, and somehow the people who are, let's say, so negative on social media, when you meet them in real life, well, you would not suspect how much bad mouthing there could be online, because they most of the time have anonymity. So leave them aside and go and make all these nice processes in order to boost your business. If you have any questions or need some assistance, you can find my website below in the comments, nextdoor-agency.com, and you can get in touch with me or my team. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.